shock drops. That is why you're missing all the best Hat Club releases. It's because you're missing the shock drops. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today, I am going to be giving y'all an early look at a new Hat Club drop, but I am also going to be letting y'all know how exactly to make sure that you don't miss any future Hat Club drops. But first, let's start with that early look. Today, I am happy to say that I am adding my second Baltimore Orioles with the Oriole front logo to my collection. I've picked up a couple Baltimore Orioles hats over the last few years, but this will be the second with the Orioles front logo. I'm very picky about the animal front logos that I pick up, and this one had to come home. I'm gonna break down the details with y'all right quick. This is a two-tone Baltimore Orioles, dark brown crown, black visor, black button on top. Love that color scheme. I have quite a few brown hats in my collection. Not a lot of brown and black two-tones, and definitely not a lot of brown hats with blue accents. Most of the brown hats I see are brown and red, brown and pink, so on and so forth, but brown and blue, that's different. That's different. So I already knew that this one is one that I had my eye on, one that I wanted to bring home. Go ahead and check out that Oriole on the front logo. Metallic blue accents in there. There's also some dark orange, maybe red metallic threading inside the bird. It kind of looks like it might be a new color. I don't think I've seen that metallic threading before, but it looks real good in there. Definitely balances out the blue. There's some off-white threading in the beak and some details on the body, as well as some gold threading on the outline. It's a real nice detailed front logo. Love the color placement. I see a lot of hats. There's hats dropping week after week after week. A lot of good hats too. So it makes it difficult when you're trying to decide what to bring home. But something unique, something with different colors, different color combinations, different palettes. Those are going to be the gems that I'm always looking to add to my collection. 50-year anniversary side patch. You can see the gold in there, that metallic blue. There's some more of that burnt orange, reddish kind of color, and another shade of red as well. It's not all one tone in there. You got to get into the details. 1954 to 2004, the big 50. The 50-year anniversary side patch is one of my favorite for the Baltimore Orioles. Aside from the brick side patch, I think that one is like my favorite out of all of them, but this one I would say comes in second, and I like the way it's done on this hat. It's really well done. And now that I'm looking at it, I think I see a little bit of green in there. Now let me know if y'all see that. Inside the blue like spikes around the top and on the branch in the back, I believe that's a branch. A little bit of olive green in there, I believe. All of those bright, vibrant colors really pop off of the dark brown crown. Gold in the middle, red on one side, blue in the opposite corner. Tonal New Era flag, small detail, but it cannot be overlooked. I personally love a Tonal New Era flag. Hat Club tag on the inside, always nice to see that. Gray UV black sweatband, smart move if you ask me. This hat was designed by Davey, aka Panda. If you're not familiar, I will go ahead and throw some of Davey's greatest hits on the screen right now, because if you're not familiar by name, you definitely know the work. Now on to the logistics. How can you cop this hat, and how do you make sure you don't miss out on any of the Hat Club limited drops? You gotta have the app. Y'all think I'm playing when I say this. You have to have the app. Yes, a lot of stuff hits the website, but if you want the limited Hat Club drops, you have to download that app. This crown right here will be dropping tomorrow. So there you go. Now you have a little bit of a heads up, but make sure you have the app on your phone. Also, make sure you have those notifications turned on. If you have the app, but your notifications are off, how are you gonna know when a drop is? How are you gonna know? This next part is important. If the hat sells out during the shock drop, it will not hit the website. So if you're wondering, oh, I didn't see this on the website, it never hit the website, that's because it sold out. Once it sells out during the shock drop, that's it, it's done, you're done. Hopefully that helps, but there is always one person who hits me up right after a drop and is like, I missed it, I missed out. Because they don't have their notifications on, because they're downloading the app right at the time of the shock drop instead of before the shock drop. So by the time you download the app, the hat is gone. So there you have it. If you've been missing out on some of the more limited, coveted Hat Club drops, that might be why. If you enjoyed today's video, as always, like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love. I would really appreciate it. And I will check y'all out in the next one.